Hello. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time right now while you are watching this video. In this video, we are happy to share with you our way of cooking the fusilli noodles. So please continue watching while we share to you the procedures. These are our ingredients: fusilli noodles, lean meat, butter, tomato, red onion, garlic, water and salt, and seasoning. This is the procedure. Boil the water with salt for cooking of the noodles. Once the water is boiled, put the noodles, stir, and cover until cooked. Once the noodle is already cooked, drain the water. Next step is to stir-fry the other ingredients. Preheat the butter with salt. Stir to dissolve and continue until the color of the butter becomes golden brown. And then saute the garlic and the red onion. Add the tomato. This time put the lean meat. Thank you for dropping by to our channel. If this is your first time to be here, we invite you to please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video. Thanks. Stir. Add seasoning. Stir and cover. And simmer until the lean meat is cooked tender. Cooking is done. Now serve this way. For more videos and other contents, we invite you to please visit our main channel at youtube.com/Cebucheapsite. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video by giving us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.